We're leaving. Say goodbye. Goodbye, Yoma. Bye. But so sad. We're leaving. About to go back home. See you. At the Hong Kong airport, just finished our Ajisin ramen. Had to take advantage of the quality Asian airport food one last time, one last hurrah before we go back to America. But yes, this is the airport, guys. Hong Kong airport. It's pretty impressive. It's pretty big. It's one of the bigger ones I've been to. Reminds me of the Norway one. But yeah, we're currently not taking these elevator things because we just had a really full meal, feel really full, so you gotta walk it off. But I'm starting to regret it because it's really far. We're all the way down there. It's getting real, guys. Leaving Asia, heading home. First time on Hong Kong Airlines. Looks pretty nice.
轉讓票據，例如旅行支票，總值高過12萬港元，要喺紅通道向海關人員申報。
Alright guys, so I'm back home in California and that's the end of my daily Asia vlog series. So I want to make a couple announcements on the changes I'm going to make on my channel. Obviously I'm not going to be traveling every day, so my videos are going to change up a bit. I'm going to be doing some more compilation videos, some major food vlogs, mukbangs, and yeah, about to give you guys some more content. Just letting you guys know there's going to be more content coming soon.